Let's see how to remove message request limit on Instagram. Go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Tap on settings. In settings, scroll down and come to this section, how others can interact with you. Here tap on messages and story replies. Tap on message request. And here you can adjust message request settings. You can select everyone, your followers, no one for who can send you message request. So in my case, I'm selecting everyone. So everyone will be able to send me a message request. And who can send you group message request? You can select everyone or you can select people you follow. And types of message request, you can enable this filter option, hide unwanted message request. So from here, you can just go ahead and adjust your Instagram message request limit. Thanks for watching.